nayo-ke igraph yakho, right? Ukwazi ukuyishintsha ngendlela eziningi. Okay, ake sithi-ke wena igraph yakho-ke ufuna ifane njengale, yabo. Yinhle kakhulu le ngoba ikwazi nokukuvezela ukuthi la u4 u5 kanjalo kanjalo. So bawukuthi ufuna nayo isondelane kahle kanje, uzobe usu right clicker from ibar bese uya ku format data series bese unciphisa i-gap width, futhi isikhala bese uyasinciphisa kube u0 naso. Okay, kanjalo futhi lese kuyi-histogram. Okay, ake siye kwi-polygon. Now ufuna ukudweba i-polygon. Na i-polygon yakho ufuna ukuyidweba you want to draw a polygon using midpoint and the frequency. Okay, midpoint. So yabo manje awusadili ne-class boundary, so you've got a specific point you want your graph to start from, and you've got a specific point you want your graph to end from. Okay, so lapho kubalula ke bazosebenzisa into like a line graph. So a polygon is one of graph which are regarded as just lines. Okay, polygony isukela ku histogram, right? Ake sibuyele emuva kancane. Uyayibona i-histogram yakho? So bangathiwa from this graph ufuna ukudweba i-polygon, wenza njani? Ubeka ama-point, futhi starting point yakho ilesi. Ubeke elinye point la, 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 because ama midpoint, right? So ubeka phakathi nendawo kwe-histogram yakho. Okay, ubeka phakathi nendawo kwe-histogram yakho, ubeka phakathi nendawo kwe-histogram yakho ngoba ama midpoint, bese uyawahlanganisa ke lama point akho ke bese kuphuma ke i-polygon. Okay, right. Okay, so uyidweba kanjani i-polygon? So nakhona uhighlighta lokho okufunayo kuyi-midpoint ne-frequency, uthi insert bese uthi recommended chart. Okay, na i-polygon yakho, uyayibona? Uthi okay, ivele usengayishintsha ngendlela ofisa ngayo. Okay, yes, ake siye manje kwi-ogive, right? Ogive idwetshwa nge-cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. Okay, so izodinga i-lower class boundary as independent variable, shoot ama x-axis akho lawo kube khona i-dependent variable, right? I-dependent variable ke shuthi ke yini leyo, i-frequency yakho shuthi ngapha cumulative frequency, ngapha i-lower class boundary. Nakhona shuthi uzo-highlighta lezi zinto zo-2, uthi insert bese uthi recommended, right? Nayi lo yakho kumele ibe in a form of an S shape ngoba uyibona nje. Okay, now I guess sikhulume ngama-central measures. Ama-central measures sinani? Sine mean, sine median, sine mode. Okay, now ama-data ahlukene. Now ngoba sazi ukuthi kune-qualitative data, kune-quantitative data. Under i-quantitative data kunento esiyibiza ngokuthi i-raw data, kunento esiyibiza ngokuthiwa i-group data, of which i-raw data ukhuluma ngama-discrete variables, right? Ama-discrete variables shuthi izinto ezibalekayo, right? Countable values. Okay, like for instance, you can count this, which is these values, there are 1, 2, sorry about that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So accountable, shuthi i-raw data are discrete. Ube nento ekuthiwa i-group data. I-group data ke isikhathi esiningi representwa in a form of a frequency distribution table. Ngoba ubona na i-class limit, na i-frequency, na i-midpoint. Okay, so bese siba nezinto ekuthiwa ama-central measures. Okay, yini leyo? Ama-mean, ama-median, i-mode. Okay, umbuzo uthi ucalculate kanjani lezi zinto ku-Excel? okay, kulula. If une raw data uku-highlighta nje leyo raw data yakho bese ukuthi equals to average, right? Ukuthi equals to average bese u-highlighta lento ofuna average yayo, right? Okay, bese siza kwi-median. I-median yona uyithola kanjani? Nayo i-median uthi equals to, why uthi equals to? Ngoba ubhala i-function ku-Excel uthi median bese u-highlighta lento ofuna i-median yayo. Kanjalo ne-mode, if you want mode nakhona kumele uthi equals to, uthi mode bese u-highlighta lokho ekufunayo. Uyabona ukuthi ke impilo u-Excel uyenza ibe lula kanjani. Yikho kubalekile ukuthi uyazi ngoba nezinkampani eziningi ziyawusebenzisa u-Excel ukuze zi-analyze data yakho yabo. Okay, nayi i-group data nakhona umbuzo uthi uyithola kanjani i-mean. Okay, i-mean uyithola ngokuthi nakhona kumele wazi ukuthi i-mean ye-group data nayi formula yakhona. Ake nginitshengise formula yakhona kuqala ngoba soba nenkinga. I-formula yakhona kuqala khona kuzoba lula into eziningi. Nansi, yes, nansi. Yabona ke le formula le i-formula oyisebenzisayo bawufuna i-mean yani ye-group data. So this is known as a-weighted mean. Uyabona? Kune-weight la, right? Kune-weight. Okay? Ake sibuyele ke lapha ku-Excel wethu. Okay? Cathi niyibonile i-formula. So i-formula yokuthola i-mean ke is equals to sum ngoba uyibonile i-formula ine-summation sign. Okay? Bese ithi product. U-product siyazi ukuthi multiplication, right? Bese u-highlighta u-H3, uphi u-H3? Nangu H3 kuya ku-H7, right? Uyithimesa nani? Umthimesa no-I3 kuya ku, hence kuno product. So yikho ngithi umthimesa nani? Umthimesa no-17 no I3 kuya ku-I17. So u-highlighta kanje, right? Okay, so wenza njalo bese sum uthi product uvula ama brackets and close bracket. Yabo yonke lento leyo uyenza la ye function umele uyibhale la function yakho, right? Uqale ngo equals kodwa iyobe isivela la over, right? Suthi division le bangithi over, ngisho uthi division sum of H3 kuya ku H7, right? Njengoba ubuwenza nangapha udivide nge-total number of your events. Okay, njengala ubuzothi 3 plus 9 plus 15 16 plus 10 bese uthola ukuthi ase ngibona ukuthi uba 3 plus 9 plus 15 plus 16 plus 10 53. Shuthi buzothi divided by 53. Okay, now umbuzo uthi uyithola kanjani ke i-median from i-group data, uyithola kanjani i-mode from i-group data. Okay, yikho ke sisazoya lapho kuma percentiles, right? Lokho kuthola using ama percentiles, kunama formula khona futhi. Okay, i-variance nayo i-variance umbuzo uthi uyithola kanjani i-variance from i-raw data. Now i-variance uthi equals to var.s. u-s lo umeleni i-sample, variance for a sample, right? Bese u-highlighta zonke izinto oyifunayo. Kanjalo standard deviation, standard ST is denoted by stdev.s, s for sample, kubalekile lo s. Bese u-highlighta into oyifuna standard deviation saso. Okay, now ake sibuke ama percentiles ke. Now ama percentiles avelula. So wona wenza kanjani ukuthola ama percentiles, right? Nama quartiles. Okay, wenza kanjani ke lokho? like if ubuziwe ukuthi from kungaba i-group data yakho, kungaba i-raw data yakho, uyakwazi ukuthola ama-percentiles. Let's say ke ubuzwa kuthiwa thola u-10 percentile, uyowenza njani? Okay, kulula, uthi equals to percentiles dot exc, right? Bese uhighlighter lokhu okufunayo, ama-percentiles akho, whether uhighlighter ama-class boundary, whether uhighlighter whether uhighlighter i-frequency ekwi-group data or uhighlighter i-raw data, right? Bese uthi 3, right? Bese uthi uyithola kanjani-ke? Uthi highlight lokho sokufuna shuthi frequency, bese uthi comma ufuna 10 percentile, shuthi ufuna u-0.1 ngoba ubona shuthi ufuna u-0.1. 85 percentile shuthi la usengeke kusaba u-0.1 kuzoba u-0.85. yes. First quartile, right? First quartile siyazi ukuthi 25%, okay? U-25% shuthi nakhona same thing, uzothi quartile bawuthanda ungasi percentile, right? Ungathi percentile exc uhighlight yonke lento, bese la esikhundleni sa1 uthi wena 0.25, right? But again ungasho ukuthi quartile dot exc uhighlight lento oyifunayo, i-quartile yayo, bese uthi 1 ngoba uthi first quartile. Kuya ngawo ukuthi kupho o-comfortable ngakho. Again, i-median ungayithola ngama-percentile. Siyazi ukuthi i-median u-50%, right? Okay, so bawuthi i-median usebenzisa ama-percentile, uzothi la percentile dot exc highlight lento ofuna i-median yayo, okuyi-frequency ekwi-group data or i-raw data, bese uthi 0.5, which is 50%, right? So bawukuthi ufuna futhi u-7th decile. Now 7th decile, we know ukuthi u-7th decile ufana no 70%, okay? So kubalula ke bawusebenzisa ama-percentile, uthi percentile dot exc highlight lokho okufunayo 0.7. Isikhathi esiningi ama-percentile siwasebenzisa kwi-group data, right? Kwi-group data. Nama-quantiles siwasebenzisa kwi-group data. Okay, ake sibukeke i-box and whisker. Uyidweba kanjani i-box and whisker? Nakhona from i-frequency yakho, whether i-raw data or kwi-frequency, uyayi-highlighter, bese uthi insert, bese uthi recommended chart, bese uya ku-all chart, right? Uyayibona i-box and whisker lapha? Yes, bese uthi equals to. Nazo. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed them and they were helpful to allow you guys to learn Excel, which is an important tool for each and every one of you guys to understand. It is used to analyze data. My next video will be based on other statistics models that we use in daily life. Okay, thank you guys. Enjoy your day. If you want to get the hold of me, you can drop a comment and we'll chat or email me. Okay, thank you.